New tonight, major concerns over a proposed pig farm near Montague. Folks out there concerned about the waste involved and how close it is to Lake Michigan.
The State Department of Environmental Quality held a public hearing on this proposal, and 24-hour News 8's Sarah Hurwitz was at the meeting and has the story.
Well, the pig farm just a few miles from the shores of Lake Michigan and also near Flower Creek watershed. The major concern from the community at the meeting tonight, how safe will the water be? And they were not shy about how they felt, throwing question after question at the MDEQ.
If you knew at this time that there was going to be some environmental impact on the Flower Creek watershed and then therefore Lake Michigan, would you deny this permit?
We can't assume that someone will violate. A study is a study. We can't assume that something is going to be done incorrectly. The statute does not require it. We are following our statute.
This is the proposed site. The Marsh Swine Farm would sit off Flower Road and South 56th Avenue in Montague, constructing a completely enclosed barn that could hold up to 4,000 pigs at a time. Though the MDEQ permit doesn't limit the number of pigs that could come through the facility annually, it could equate to roughly 1.5 million gallons of manure per year. The MDEQ says facilities like this are allowed to sell or give away the waste to other farms as long as those farms don't pollute. The MDEQ doesn't track where that waste is distributed, but those at the meeting were not convinced that there wouldn't be contamination.
How is the community supposed to report our concerns if we don't even know where the manure is to be manifested?
Well, I think I'm not clear on how you would have a concern if you aren't seeing where it's going or what your concern is.
We wouldn't necessarily know where to walk if we don't know where it's being spread.
The MDEQ also noted at the meeting that under its regulations, there are no restrictions on how close manure can be to water, and it tests quality of manure once a year.
You are monitoring water quality and protecting Michigan waters, but you don't get to test the soil where most of the manure goes.
Right.
After the public comment period, the MDEQ will review all of the comments that it received tonight and make a final decision on the permit. There's no timeline on that for now. In Montague tonight, Sarah Hurwitz, 24-hour News 8.